We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at studio apartment 507. Let's go on in. This is a top floor apartment. We're on the 5th floor of this 5-floor elevator building located at 208 Dryden Road. The layout of this apartment is unique in Collegetown Court. This is a 07 style apartment, and you can see we've gone through a hallway before we get to the main part of the apartment. As you know, in the other apartments in the building, we enter through the kitchen. So here you do enter, and the kitchen is in the main part of the apartment. So you can see here's our kitchen. We've got that refrigerator, microwave, sink, stove, and oven. It's the same kitchen setup. It's just located within the main part of the room. So we've got a lot of cabinets and drawers, so definitely good cabinet and drawer space for one person in here. And here's the rest of the room. You can see that dining table and chair. There's the full-size bed over here, and we've got a window. We'll go take a look out the window. There's the air conditioner. Here's the desk and chair, and the dresser, and the bookshelf. So again, always furnished apartments in here. We are on floor 5 of a 5-floor building, so we're on the top floor. We're in the center of Collegetown, so there's always other buildings around us, but over especially to the left, which is south, you can see we've got lots of hills and valleys, and it's a really pretty view. This view here is to the west, so we definitely get a lot of afternoon sun here in this apartment, especially in the late afternoon. And here's a look at the room again. Let's go see the bathrooms. We've passed by the bathroom door already, so we're going to go back to that. So bathroom over here. I like this bathroom because it has a unique setup as well. We've got a toilet over here, so in kind of like a little nook. And then the main part of the bathroom is over here. So you can see we've got the tub shower and the sink. And I like this little nook over here. I feel like that gives you some good extra space for a cabinet here in the apartment. Some extra storage space. The closet is right over here by the entry door. And so that's a look at Collegetown Court number 507. So again, the 07 style is the one with the hallway, and the kitchen and living space are all one big open space, a nice big square. Collegetown Court is located at 208 Dryden Road. We are just steps up from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, which is the main intersection of Collegetown. And we're in a 5-floor elevator building located just 1 block from campus.